I don't usually talk over these videos, but the lights have been very active these last few days with some really impressive large patterns. I've been told that some of it is camera obscura effects. So what they're doing is grabbing light essentially from outside or near the windows, and then some of that gets projected this way. But I've had some really amazing colors and different sorts of forms, some of which are multicolored. And then a lot of the same old stuff, which is sort of rolling orbs and things that look like a meteor shower. I do have a street behind me, if you're hearing sounds from the street. And I have all the windows open because we've had quite a heat wave. But the curtains are actually closed in the other room, and the blinds and curtains are closed in this room. And I get them at night and during the day, and I'm not at street level, I'm actually on a higher floor. So, and there's a building across the street that's not reflective or anything. But anyway, some people are skeptical about this sort of thing, and that's fine. I just like to provide another perspective and document the sorts of things that I've been experiencing. And, you're welcome to take it all with a grain of salt, but I find it very interesting and comforting. And because I'm also a spiritual person who meditates and prays, and I'm engaged in dialogue with spirit beings and star people and the whole thing, it's just a nice way of accentuating my experience and also providing some physical evidence about things that might be otherwise difficult to understand or believe. But if you're interested in this sort of thing, it's good to look into spiritual people. And when I say that, I'm not referring to religious people per se. Although there are many good people in religions, and I think it's important that we listen to those points of view. So, look for people who are interested in peace, who care about humanity, who care about the planet. And if they have spiritual beliefs, it can be very interesting to talk to people like that to understand their point of view. For me, it was always the sort of thing where I didn't know for sure about a lot of things, but I did feel like I knew what was good for humanity, what was good for the planet.